Understanding blood in your cough. Coughing up blood can be alarming, and it's natural to panic. However, understanding its possible causes is crucial. Blood in your cough could indicate issues ranging from infections to more serious conditions. Knowing when to seek medical help can provide clarity and peace of mind. Don't let fear take over. It's important to stay informed and get the help you need when necessary. Learn more at AmericanOncology.com.